Good morning, students. Happy Monday. I wanted to make our final life lesson video for you for this semester, and this one is called Why Are We Here? And it's written by Dale Long. And Dale writes, why are we here? This is a timeless question that expresses humanity's fundamental desire to understand our collective existence and value. On a more personal level, why am I here? Many other people seem to have a pretty clear opinion of why I'm here. My wife believes I'm here to take out the garbage, help the children with their homework, and rub her feet. My boss believes I'm here to do my job and do it well. However, while living up to everyone else's expectations may give our existence purpose of a sort, it's not the same as figuring out our own answer about why we personally are here. It took a while, but I believe I found at least part of my answer a few years ago. I remember clearly the first time I had a real sense of my place in the universe. I was 42 years old and had just bought our family a telescope. The astronomy software that came with the telescope said we'd be able to see Saturn that same night. I'd never seen a planet with my own eyes before, just pictures. We located a bright dot in the sky where Saturn was supposed to be and lined up the telescope. Saturn came into focus looking like a tiny round ball suspended inside a small flat washer. As I stepped back from the telescope to let my children have a look, I realized that my whole view of the universe had just changed dramatically. On an intellectual level, I'd always known the twinkling lights in the sky were stars and planets, but on some primal level, I had never really believed they were anything but pinholes in the roof of the world. Now I could not deny it any longer. Planets, stars, and galaxies were real. The universe stretches to as close to infinity as mankind will ever comprehend. I got to savor the moment for all of 5 seconds until the children bumped the telescope and I had to line it up for them again. I believe I understand why scientists like Copernicus and Galileo risked imprisonment and death for reporting the results of their astronomical discoveries. And it was for the same reason that prophets like Buddha, Moses, Jesus, and Muhammad risked imprisonment and death for preaching their faith. They had discovered something wonderful and wanted to expand human understanding of our place in creation. Many people are comfortable with their belief of where they are in the universe, of course, and will resist any attempt to dislodge their current view of reality, either spiritually or scientifically. But I believe mankind will only continue to make progress by seeking out and embracing new knowledge, wisdom, and insights into both science and spirit in tandem. Science without spirituality is cold and sterile. Spirituality without science is merely wishful thinking. Why are we here? Maybe it's simply to find a balance between what we believe and what we perceive as we journey through life. I believe I can live with that answer. 2 snaps for figuring out why we're here. 1, 2, 3. My dear students, I chose this life lesson because I think it's extremely poignant with our world religions class of trying to figure out why we are here. And I love this life lesson, and every single time I read it, it makes me think and reflect on so many different things in my life. So I remember the first time that I realized how small I was in the universe with how many stars there are and how close to infinity the universe expands. And I just remembered feeling so small and so insignificant, but then at the same time so special that I existed at all. And that's one feeling that I want you guys all to have right now, is how special it is that you exist. How special it is that you're here. And then I really truly think figuring out the why we are here, that is a lifelong journey. Like he said, everyone else's expectations may give us purpose of existence, purpose of a sort, but so obviously taking care of my children and helping out my husband and creating that household, teaching my students, that's existence, that's purpose, and that I love all of that. But figuring out why we are here, that's deep in your soul, and that is figured out through living your life. So my dear students, as I end this semester of world religions with you guys, I'm hoping that I've shown you the different parts of the elephant so that you can figure out how other religions see our existence and why we are here. I hope that you live your life discovering that journey, that you get to discover why you're here, that you get to figure out your soul's purpose as you journey through it. This final week of world religions, we are going to be looking at Buddhism. So for my A to K kids on Tuesday, I'm introducing Buddhism to you, and we'll go over some Buddhism vocabulary. L to Z kids, you're finishing up the Hinduism extended response. And then we'll intro to Buddhism on Wednesday. A to K kids at home on Wednesday, you guys will do the worldview reading for Buddhism to be able to compare it in class. And on Thursday, we'll discuss that. L to Z kids, you'll be doing the worldview reading at home on Thursday, and then we'll be discussing that on Friday. With it being the end of the semester, we're just going to kind of wrap things up on Friday, then we'll talk about other Buddhist teachings and the life of the Buddha. I'll answer as many questions as I can for you guys then, and just kind of wrap up the semester as it is. So thank you for watching my final life lesson video. Please fill out the Google form, and I will see you this week in class. Bye-bye.